Hey guys, so welcome back to the NickiHeartBeat channel, and I'm finally here to give my Fenty review. I definitely have an opinion, honey, but the reason why I'm late is because I was waiting on my PR package. So now that I have it, let me show you guys it. Let me show you. Okay, here it is right here. This is my PR package. Miss Rihanna made sure that I had something very special that nobody else had, honey, so that's why I'm so late. Okay. No, I'm joking. I had to go to the store and get it. But anyways, you guys, I definitely have something to say, honey. I did my research. Okay. And yeah, we're about to get into this, you guys. We're about to get all the way up into this, honey. Okay. Now, my research included basically 4 days of me wearing the concealer and the powder in different variations. Okay, hold on, I can barely see. So I decided to use the concealer and the powder together. Concealer with my Hourglass powder. I decided to use this powder with my Huda Beauty concealer, honey, and I was able to do the research, and I've gotten to the bottom of things. Okay, I know the truth, and the truth will be revealed in this video. So let's get started. Can barely see, honey. I got 20/20. I can barely see in these. Okay, so what we're gonna start out with is the primer. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not really even gonna do my eyes, you guys. I'm gonna do my eyes probably off camera. So with Miss Fenty, honey, because I am very dry, I like to add extra moisture after I put on the primer. So I do like to go in with my Tasha Dewy Mist Spray just for an extra layer of dewiness. Okay, Miss Fenty can bring out my dryness sometimes. I'm that chick that after I wash my face, if I don't immediately put on my moisturizer, I instantly look casket ready. Like my face has dry patches. It's a mess. So what I've learned with Fenty is to just help her out. She just needs a little help. So I'm gonna go in with the foundation, and I wear the color 290. This shade I feel pretty much matches. I have it on my forehead, if you can tell. So we all know this tea that you got to shake it up. We know this tea, honey, and we also know that, you know, a little goes a long way, and that she dries very quickly, and that you must work fast. This we know. Let me use my Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. And sometimes if my skin is still looking really dry, I'll go back in with another layer of my spray. But right now, she's good. Before I go in with the concealer, I did pick up one of these matchsticks, which I never felt the need to get one. But I did pick it up because I wanted to give you guys a Fenty face. And this matchstick is in the color Mocha. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. The color that I got was 210. Again, my foundation color is 290. So I definitely try to jump all the way up. Each foundation has a corresponding concealer, so I could have gotten 290 as my concealer, but I wanted to go brighter, so I decided to jump all the way up to 210. It's really not that much brighter, which is pretty cool that they have that many colors that I can literally jump up like 9 shades and it's still not that bright. Now I'm gonna blend it out, and from all of my research, okay, I feel like a brush works best on this type of concealer. I really do. And you know, since Fenty did not send me her brushes, I need to go ahead and use a brush that I already have, which is my Morphe E22. So I'm just going to like press it in around the edges, and then I will go in with my sponge. So this is how it looks. It's a very dewy consistency, very dewy finish. It is a thicker concealer, which I don't mind dewy, I don't mind thick. All I care about is if it's full coverage, if it's going to cover up my dark circles and not really show any of my texture, anything. And just before I can even set it, I do feel like it is showing my texture. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I can get a little bit closer, and as you can see, like this area right here, it's showing texture. So I'm just telling you, going to set with the powder. Now I got butter, so I'm gonna go in just like usual. You guys know, I'm gonna take my powder, I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand because I don't want all that powder going on my skin at first, right? And then I'm gonna go in with it, and I'm gonna start from the outside. Start from the outside and work my way in. And I'm not gonna bake, I'm just going to set. You guys know that's what I usually do. So this is how it looks. It definitely is matte. It doesn't look as bumpy as it did. It actually looks a little bit smoother now with the powder. I don't feel like I really see any dark circles. I mean, I just see like this right here, which usually is gone. But let's finish the face. She doesn't have any pressed powders, and I need pressed powders, so I'm gonna go in with my MAC NC45, and right on top of that Mocha matchstick, I'm just gonna add some bronze. Then I'm gonna go in with MAC Medium Golden. I'm gonna go in with this Hustler Baby. Isn't this so cute? This little mini. I have something to say, but I don't want to say it yet. I'm going to wait to say what I have to say, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do my eyes really quick off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is your Fenty face, honey, and I'm here for it until, honey, I get all up in the mirror, honey, and then told all my secrets now of what I did last night, which was nothing. I did nothing but watch Law and Order last night. So why is this concealer telling lies on me? Okay, now you guys can't really tell because, you know, I got a good camera, which I do. I am not crazy about the concealer, you guys. I like the powder. I'm not crazy about the concealer. That's the bottom line. That is, honey, that's the results, honey. I can't really put this on my face right now, but that's the results, honey, okay? And I cannot see through these things. This concealer is not my favorite. It's just not. Now, mind you, I have sprayed my face down, honey, with some Fix Plus and some Tasha spray, honey, because your girl is dry. But you can kind of see the bumpiness of my under eye. Kind of, sort of, not really. I mean, I do have a good camera, so you know, my camera's kind of good, so she doesn't tell all the secrets. But the point is, I've used the concealer with the powder, didn't like it. I used the concealer with my Hourglass powder, one of my favorite powders, and I still didn't like it. So that was a test to me that it's the concealer that's the issue, because when I use the powder, honey, and I love the packaging, I mean, the packaging is bomb. But when I use a powder with my Huda Beauty concealer, one of my favorite concealers, I know when I first started using that concealer, I did not like it, so don't talk about me. But I do like the Huda Beauty concealer now. But when I used it with this powder, honey, I was happy. I said, oh, I thought it was the powder, but maybe it's the concealer telling all my damn secrets. I'm sorry, you guys. I can't say that I love the Fenty concealer like everybody else is saying. I just can't say it. I want to say that I love the foundation because I was able to make it work for me. You know, I was able to learn that, okay, this is a soft matte foundation, but honey, it gets matte on someone that's dry. So I have to pair it with my Tasha and my Fix Plus. It's not a big deal for me. But my concealer gotta be bomb. If you're a fan, you're gonna go out and buy it. I'm a fan, honey. I'm a fan of Rihanna. I'm a fan of everything that she does. So yeah, if she drops anything else, I'm still gonna go out and I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna support. But am I going to be using this every single day? I'm not going to use it every single day, you guys. So that's my review. You know, take it or leave it. But that's how I feel over here at NickiHeartBeat Studios, honey. And we still love Fenty. We just don't like the concealer. So you guys, if you're gonna go out and buy it, go out and still buy it, try it. So you guys, let me know down below what you think, and I love you so much. I'll see you in the next tutorial.